Hi guys, and welcome to Java tutorial of student result recording system developed using NetBeans. Okay guys, let me show you how this works. Right here I have this particular student transcript. Her name is Rebecca, and here are the details of her result. Right here, that's the course she's studying and so on. Okay, now let's make use of this button here. You see this very button? If I click on it, I should be able to add the details of Rebecca straight onto the student record here. If you guys notice the student record, there's nothing about Rebecca there, and at the same time there's nothing about Rebecca on the workbench itself. Okay, so let's get that working now. So I'm going to go back. Let's just minimize that and come right here, and I'm going to click on add. There we go. See that? It's telling us that student result updated. So I'm going to click on OK, and let's go straight to the student records here. Inside the student records, we should be able to see Rebecca's details there. That is it. That's Rebecca's details right there. Let me just show you guys the workbook as well. Okay, right here on the MYSQL Workbench, and right here that's Rebecca's details as well. Okay, let's minimize that. The next thing we can do is to print out our transcripts. Let's hit on print, and I'm just going to save that as a PDF file. Click on print, save it. Let's save it on my desktop. Okay, I'm just going to give it a name. Let's just call it Rebecca. That's fine. Rebecca's underscore transcript, and I'm gonna save that straight onto my desktop. Click on save. There we go, and that is it right on my desktop there. Okay, so I'm going to exit out of the printed copy, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on reset. And there guys, so let's add new candidate details in there. So let's say that is student reference, and the name is David or Dave, surname maybe Johnny, Dave Johnny, number 17, Little Venice. There, it's male, and Dave is actually studying the following course. Let's say it's into a serious game, and here are the units. There we go. Oh, we should enter grades in there, and grades in there as well. Artificial intelligence, games, let's say procedural programming, cyber security is one of the units, and that. Okay, so all we then need to do is just click on result. There we go, second class upper. So for this transcript there, and that's it guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you guys straight into Java development environment, and we'll put one of these together. And just for your information guys, this is just an overview, and I'll see you guys shortly.